lovers' rides are just the best.
You wanna try to hold hands or something?
Is it too dangerous? It's so dangerous.
I'm so glad you guys invited me!
Harold, I told you just to ride 4 bike lengths behind us.
I can't count! Just 3.
Hey guys, can I join on my unicycle?
I met him! Let's pull over. Okay.
Whoa.
Can you excuse us for a second? Just plug your ears, okay?
Whoa, guys! You can't just stop in the middle of town! Kill somebody!
Sorry.
Pogoers!
What the hell? You letting the pogo guy come by?
This is why I don't want to go to Yellow Springs.
This is for us right now. You're not allowed to hear our conversations. This is for us. It's for me and my 2 friends who like me.
Just say it, the bicycle guys!
You know I love our lovers'
I have a
scooter! Excuse me! Announce your vehicle, please! These lovers' rides, they're losing their
Why do you
allure.
look so sad? You're whispering and I can't hear the group conversation.
Rollerblades are the wave of the future!
That guy gives up on unicycles easily.
He went from 1 wheel to 8. Oh my God, I got to 8.
Now you can count.
I can't count to 3. I gotta keep going.
Well then 8 lengths behind us, please.
What?
8 lengths. Let's go.
You stay here, we're gonna go ahead, okay?
How fast? Oh, this is better.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
Love you a lot too.
I love you guys too!
Okay, stop. Oh, stop. I'm cramping. Oh. You're supposed to stop when we stop. When we stop, you stop.
Stay continually 8 lengths behind.
I thought that was for safety while we were riding!
What the hell is with you guys?
Why is that guy in a smaller boat?
He's wearing it down, I guess. This time.
Why are you riding so fast?
We're not trying to be rude.
We're not.
We just wanted to have a day to ourselves here in Yellow Springs. You know, we come here, it's a little bit more eclectic than other places.
What?
It's eclectic.
I collect stuff.
Okay. There's more to see and do, you know, than just an average town. It's a little more interesting, that's all.
Hey, Fogies, the senior center rides on Sundays.
I don't even know. I don't know. What? Okay, skateboard.
Okay, skateboard.
I didn't know what.
That lady's hips would jive.
What?
I don't know. I saw it on HBO as a kid.
Look, you stay 8 lengths behind us. When we stop, you stop. Okay?
How will I get back to the car?
We'll go 8 lengths ahead of the car when we get there. You'll stop at the car.
When you turn around, how am I going to get? That's 16 lengths. I got to 16. Oh
I gotta look at these bikes. They're much noisier than
Right, I thought so too. Everything is ruining our lovers' ride. Oh my God!
Whoa.
I'm here for help.
It hurts.
Honey?
It hurts. The pain is real.